Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce the new AI automation builder for Pia. Powered by Microsoft Copilot and built directly into Pia's VS Code extension, the AI automation builder helps you create complete automation solutions using simple natural language. Just describe what you want to automate and Pia gets to work. Behind the scenes, it draws on deep knowledge of the Pia platform, including more than 12 specialized instruction sets covering packages, activities, forms, smart forms, tech assist, and other key capabilities. In minutes, it generates a complete solution, including the package, activities, forms, and a workflow diagram showing how everything connects. It then analyzes your repository, reuses existing assets where appropriate, validates every component generated, and helps ensure the solution follows Pia best practices. Instead of building every piece manually, simply define the outcome you need and let the AI automation builder do the heavy lifting. I've just showed you a little sneak peek of what this is in. We have release notes and articles that cover everything. I'm Ranju, and this is the product update from me and the team here at Pia. Thank you so much for watching the video, and as always, for more information, visit our knowledge portal at knowledge.pia.ai.